Okay, here's your ring. This one is RONRING 4. It doesn't matter whether you've got RONRING 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or whatever, because the actions are going to be the same. You will notice when you look that both of the end bands are identical, and it doesn't matter which of them you start with, as long as you're holding it in your left hand. And I'm moving it to my right to show you what I mean by having the flat side of the band facing to the left. So flat side to the left between left thumb and forefinger. The other one's hanging down the bottom here. You need to bring it over so that it's at the front, and in that position it's hanging pretty much exactly the way you want it to be, because all you're going to do is slide it up and it will fit into place. Now, you don't want to hold those two bands too tightly together, because the next one needs to have a bit of breathing space, because what you're going to do is, like with the previous band, you've got to bring this one up so it's basically towards the front, and with those first two spread, or held loosely enough so that they spread apart enough for this next one to then fit into place, and so it goes. Next one, here we go, it's all a bit loose. Next one gets dragged up so that it's at the front, and it slides into place. It being 4 pieces, that's it. If it was 5, this wouldn't be the end piece. There would be another hole here for you to keep going, but you keep going as long as you have to, and that's it.